Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your battery cover on your Ducati Panigale, Street Fighter, Super Leggera, V2. They're all similar. You got four 3mm bolts that hold them on. All you need is a 3mm Allen. Be careful not to scratch or paint. It's just four 3mm Allens. On the bolt, you have little plastic washers. Make sure you save those. If you remove any other fairing pieces, a little plastic washer that goes on all the painted surfaces. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out my other Ducati videos and motor vlogs coming. I also do home renovation DIYs. Once you get the four screws out, you'll see here, all you do is pull up, pop loose the Velcro and the two pins, one on each side, and that's it.